Before buying an Abu Garcia spinning reel, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's dig into the top options that actually stand out. Product number 1, KastKing Centron Spinning Reel. The KastKing Centron Spinning Reel immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features, especially for the price point of just $24.29. If you want an affordable option that still delivers great performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Centron is a solid choice for you. The 9+1 ball bearing design ensures ultra-smooth operation, so you won't struggle with line twists or tangles. Plus, the lightweight CNC aluminum spool allows for easy casting without the fatigue. It's no wonder this reel has over 9,500 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. Honestly, it's great for ice fishing or any spinning action you want to tackle. Now, some people complained about the drag being a bit sticky at times. Here's the thing though, it's usually a minor issue that can be fixed with a little maintenance. If you're a casual fisherman, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you need something designed for heavy-duty fishing. For the price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the Centron's drag issue concerned you, the next reel might just take care of that worry. Product number 2, KastKing Sharky III. Next up is the KastKing Sharky III, priced at $52.69. The minute you see it, you'll appreciate how it looks built to last. If you're after a reel that offers both power and durability, this one is worth checking out. The Sharky III boasts a max drag of 39.5 pounds, making it perfect for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. With 10+1 stainless steel bearings and an innovative KastKing intrusion shield system design, you'll get ultimate protection against water and dirt, which is so crucial for preserving performance. Plus, it has a unique braid-ready spool, so you won't have to deal with the hassle of using backing line. With 5,200 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that people love this reel for its smooth retrieves and solid build. However, some users did mention that it can feel a bit heavy after extended use. But honestly, if you're targeting larger fish, that extra weight is a small price to pay for the power and durability you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're an angler looking to catch bigger fish without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're after something ultra-lightweight for casual outings. For the features you get, it's an incredible value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize performance. Product number 3, Pflueger President. Now let's talk about the Pflueger President, which comes in at $59.99. The first thing that stands out is its smooth operation and the fact that it strikes a great balance between performance and affordability. If you want a reliable reel that won't break the bank, this could be your answer. The President features a max drag of 8 pounds and a line retrieval rate of 22.4 inches per crank, making it efficient for various fishing situations. Its 10-bearing system delivers a super smooth experience, and the aluminum handle adds a nice touch for comfort. We're talking about a reel that's not only lightweight but also corrosion-resistant, making it suitable for every fishing adventure. One downside is that some users felt the drag could be stronger. But here's the thing, if you're primarily targeting smaller to medium fish, the drag strength is more than adequate. It's really about knowing your fishing needs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable reel that offers great value. Skip this one if you frequently fish in saltwater or need high drag capacity. It's a smart investment for casual to intermediate anglers. If the Pflueger didn't quite fit your needs, the next option might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Abu Garcia Max SX. Next is the Abu Garcia Max SX, priced at $64.99. The moment you pick it up, you'll notice how lightweight it is, making it feel like it's made for serious fishing. If you want a reel that combines performance with portability, this one deserves your attention. This reel features a max drag of 14 pounds and a super smooth recovery rate of 29 inches per crank. The 7 stainless steel bearings provide an effortless experience when reeling in your catch. Its oil-felt front drag system is designed for maximum efficiency, so you can confidently tackle bigger fish. With a strong 4.5-star rating and nearly 500 reviews, users have praised its easy handling and reliability on the water. However, a few users pointed out that its drag adjustment can be a bit finicky. Here's my take: most anglers find that it becomes second nature after a little practice. It's not a deal-breaker for those willing to invest a bit of time. This is perfect for you if you're targeting larger species and need a reliable, lightweight reel. Skip this one if you prefer a reel with a higher drag capacity. Considering its performance, it's worth every penny. Now, let's wrap things up with one more option that also brings great value to the table. Product number 5, Abu Garcia Max SX Alternate. Finally, we have another variant of the Abu Garcia Max SX priced at $52.98. It offers similar features to the previous model but with a slight edge in line recovery, reaching 31 inches per crank. If you're looking for performance without a hefty price tag, this should be on your radar. The braided line capacity is also impressive, allowing you to tie directly without any slippage. With nearly identical customer feedback, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. This variant is just a bit more efficient for those longer casts, which is a nice plus. That said, some users mentioned that the paint can chip easily. But honestly, if you're careful with your gear, it's not something that will ruin your experience. Just make sure you handle it with care. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient reel that balances performance and affordability. Skip this if you're hard on your gear and need something ultra-durable. Given its features, it's a fantastic choice for serious anglers. So there you have it, a range of options from budget-friendly to performance-driven reels, all from trusted brands. Each one has its strengths to cater to different fishing styles. Hopefully, this helps you find the perfect spinning reel for your next fishing adventure. We've covered 5 fantastic Abu Garcia spinning reels today, each catering to different needs and budgets. From the budget-friendly KastKing Centron to the performance-packed Abu Garcia Max SX, there's something for every angler. Choose the one that fits your fishing style best.